The first thing I do, take this candle holder, I'm going to spray paint it in gold, and then I'm going to take some floral foam. I'm just going to cut these pieces into half just like that, but I wanted to fit the top, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it into another piece, and this is just to make sure it fit the top of my candle holder just like that. So I'll go ahead and grab your hot glue and place some hot glue at the top, and then attach it into place just like that. Once you do that, take your floral frame and then put it inside just to measure to where you're going to cut it, then cut it a little bit like that. And then after you cut it a little bit, take those parts out. Then after that, put some hot glue in the inside, then place your frame inside. And then you're going to place the bottom part of the frame, the other side also as well. And then put some hot glue on both sides like that. Just put enough hot glue, and then take all the pieces of the floor foam and put it inside. This is what's going to hold the frame together, so make sure you do it good. Then take your flowers and put some hot glue and attach it to your frame. Make sure to put the hot glue on the frame, and then you put the flowers. It's easier like that to attach all your flowers. Then just continue doing that until you attach all the flower all the way around, and also to attach the flower at the bottom part, as you can see in the middle, in the center. Then I took this dice string that they had in Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in the middle just like that with hot glue. I also got this little gold flowers, and I'm just gonna place it all around the little frame just like that. You could put as much as you would like. And they also have this old baby sign. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in the middle as well. You could also do the crystal garland. I'm gonna attach it to the back as well. You decide which one you would like. This is how cute it turns out with just the dice and the old baby sign. I think it came out so cute, and I think you guys gonna like it. This could be for a baby shower. You guys can also do it in a blue color. It's up to you. I'm just giving you the idea, and you decide which one you like. For this one, I also did it with a crystal garland, and this is how it turns out. I think it came out super cute, and it's easy, something that you guys can do. And you can also, where it says oh baby, you could use to put the number table if you're not doing it for the baby shower. So then I came out with this other idea, and I'm like, let me take a mirror, and then let me just place the frame on top of it, so we can make another centerpiece. So it cannot just be one, we're gonna have two. Then I went ahead and grabbed this glass. I'm going to put a few glass here. You can add 4, however many you want. I just had 3, so I'm just going to go ahead and add 3 of them. Then I took my candle, and I'm just going to put it inside in here. If you would like this candle, you can check my shop at the top, or I'm going to put it at the bottom in the comments down below so you can check it out. Or you could just use regular candle. It's up to you, whichever you want to use. I'm just giving you an idea and options of what stuff that you can do. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite, the first one or this one, the second one. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and let's not forget to hit the like button and share so other people can see this cute DIY. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.